Okay, basically what you want to do is, when you take a soil probe, is stay outside the root ball zone, but stay within the canopy of the plant, because that's where the feeder roots are going to be, and brush away any mulch so you're not getting any mulch in your soil probe, and go down the length of that, which is about 8 to 10 inches, and then take a look at the consistency of the water. If it's, you can get a good judge of if this is saturated, dry, somewhere in between. And if you can do this with your soil core, it's got enough moisture in it. And you can see that it was the same consistent saturation or moisture throughout the whole probe. So if you were to guess or judge the amount of water that this plant has available to it in its root zone, that would be plenty for this plant. And then of course you look at the condition of the plant, which is doing well right now.